Welcome to the Remedies Impact Evaluation Dashboard. This dashboard tracks the Remedies project's work against marine litter in the Mediterranean, covering detection, collection, and prevention efforts. This video will provide a quick walkthrough to all the available views to showcase the main functionality of the platform. Right now, you are looking at the map overview menu, which gives a bird's eye view of the effort to fight marine litter across the Mediterranean. Blue pins on this map mark beach litter monitoring campaigns. Colored markers show deployed cleanup and prevention technologies. Those layers can be toggled on or off on the right panel, and this map basically functions as a mission control, offering one view spanning monitoring, collection, and prevention efforts. Moving on to the detection and monitoring menu, here we can see the beach monitoring database, which logs every cleanup operation along the coast with litter sorted by type. For example, here we can track single-use plastic, glass, textiles, abandoned fishing gear, and we can also see the number of monitoring events and the total litter items recorded, the number of beaches surveyed, and some category breakdowns. This data matters because identifying what is washing up and where gives policymakers the evidence needed to shape environmental policy. Moving on to device monitoring campaigns, and more specifically on the buoys page, which tracks GPS-enabled buoys at sea in real time. These buoys drift on currents the same way plastic waste does, so their movement helps predict where pollution accumulates. The table on the side logs each device and displays distance traveled by device, helping pinpoint pollution hotspots so cleanup efforts can be directed more efficiently. Moving on to collection and valorization as part of work package 2 of the project. This section covers technologies that capture waste already existent in the environment, from rivers and wastewater to marinas and beaches. For example, here the river cleaning system is a self-powered device that floats on rivers using spinning modules to continuously collect trash without electricity or blocking water flow. So collected waste is recycled into new products, and this chart compares the system's environmental footprint across various life cycle stages. Moving on to the Wasser 3.0 PX technology, which is a technology that targets microplastics tested in an active wastewater treatment plant. Actually, treatment plants are a key entry point for microplastics from laundry fibers and cosmetics. Capturing them here addresses the source, and the collected materials can be repurposed into building new materials. So the microplastic filtration system is a filtration system for marine sites such as marinas, and here microplastics are easily ingested by marine life and enter the food chain. So this result demonstrates a scalable method for removing them before further damage occurs. And finally, beach cleanups. This menu tracks cumulative cleanup impact, meaning that the project has, through its efforts, has already collected over 24 tons of litter, removed across 299 campaigns from 2022 up until 2026. And all these metrics are subject to change as more data is added on our database. This graph shows year-over-year totals and accumulating over time, and ranks top contributing countries. This data helps provide a transparent public record of coastal protection progress. And finally, the prevention and zero waste topic and section, which is a section that covers environmental, economic, and social impact assessment for technologies developed or used within this project and designed to stop waste from being created in the first place. Here we currently have two technologies such as the H2 Oasis, which produces drinking water served in reusable glass bottles in place of single-use plastic, and the plug and play to zero waste technology, which replaces single-use plastic cups with reusable bio-based cups. Here, this is accompanied by an application that tracks each cup through distribution, return, washing, and reuse, so that we can track the whole life cycle of the process. This concludes a quick walkthrough of the Remedies Impact Evaluation Dashboard. New data are to be added in the months to come, so feel free to check back to follow the project's growing impact on marine litter across the Mediterranean.